Allah will bless you with so much better than what you could ever imagine for yourself. If you just put your trust in Him, it is Allah who has the power to grant you things that are beyond your wildest dreams. He is Al Wahhab, the giver of all. He is Ar Razak, the ever providing. He is Al Kareem, the most generous. He is Al Wadud, the most loving. He is Al Muqsit, the most just. So try and worry less and increase your faith in your Lord. When your heart is hurting, just stop for a second and think of Allah. Think of Allah's mercy and Allah's love. Remind yourself of who your Lord is and then smile. Smile knowing full well that your Lord Allah has got your back.